Greetings from Boracay Beach. We're hanging out here on a beautiful summer day, enjoying the day. So we're gonna just hang out at the beach and we're going to have some fun. Woo.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
I'll follow you. He wants to know if you want to go paddleboard. You want to go paddleboarding? No? Yes? Any paddleboarders? He's hungry. There's not a lot of guests. They need a paddleboard. Look at the water. It's very beautiful today. Perfect, right? How much?
300.
Only 100 each for 30 minutes? That's not that much. 100. It's only $2. Oh, it's a beautiful day though, right? Look at that day. Wow. Wow. So we're enjoying the day today in Boracay. It's a beautiful day today. Look at this. It's amazing. The summer has come. Summer's coming. It's here. So we're getting ready. Lots of people are not here, so it makes it actually kind of nice in one way. So beautiful day, beautiful waters.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something new. That's my way. 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 That's my
So that's it from Boracay. Enjoying the water. Beautiful day, summer-like day. We got some paddle boarders. We got some boats out there. We have some snorkelers out here. And we're out here. Have a great day.